Do you have stacks, piles, folders full of documents and photos collecting dust, taking up space? Do you want to protect your content from getting lost or damaged? My name is Mike Raish, founder of Put What Where, your creative organizing consultant of Western New York, and I am delighted to offer the new service of digitizing as an affordable, secure, and efficient way for you to declutter. The goal of this project is not just to give you more space, but to make sure that your content is easily accessible and properly protected. Imagine having access to all of your photos and your documents on your computer or your smartphone and be able to easily search for content with a simple keyword. Getting started is easy. Just find the reward tier that meets your needs and make a pledge. If you need to digitize more content, that's okay. You can always increase your pledge before the close of the project. I am also offering to personally pick up your scannable material for free within 15 miles of Tonawanda, New York. At the time of your free pickup, you may also take advantage of a free assessment for any other organizing projects that you may have. During the assessment, we'll talk about how long it might take to complete your project and how much it might cost for you to have my assistance should you need it. We can also tackle any questions that you may have about our approach to your project, and we can discuss what might be stopping you from completing it yourself. Get ready to have a more organized and simplified life by digitizing with Put What Where.